Hello everyone, good evening. It's Lisa from Epicyarngems, and today I have the winner of the April Yarn giveaway. This giveaway was open since April 10th, I believe, and I have used my random comment selector to pull all the names from the comments, and I will be giving you the winner here in a second. Sorry this video is a little late. I don't know about you, but sometimes you just get a little waylaid and start doing other things and just get busy, I guess. One of the things that I was doing today was a puzzle, and I wanted to get one more piece, one more piece, one more piece. I love to do puzzles. I haven't done them in years, so I've really been enjoying this one. So, again, I apologize for the lateness of the video. It is still April 30th, so we should be all set. So, without any further ado, let's take a peek at the yarn that was in the giveaway first. The box of yarn was actually a box of different red heart yarns. So this was the box. I hope whoever wins enjoys it. I will put the rules to the giveaway that was in the original video down below so that the winner is reminded of all the little rules that went with it. Duties, taxes, and fees are your responsibility. And also, if your country is not able to accept this type of mailing, I will have to pick another winner. So, without any further ado, let's get that random comment selector going. I'm going to put in the original URL from the giveaway video. We're going to remove duplicate users so that only one entry per person. Getting the comments. There are 188. And let's get that big start button going and watch the names fly by and find out who the winner is. And the winner is Sherry Knowles. Congratulations, Sherry's. Um, I loved your comment about your flower garden and the purples and whites. Those are my favorite colors. They were actually my school colors when I was in high school, but I absolutely do love purple, and I'm so thankful spring is here. I wish it would warm up just a little bit here in Michigan, but we're getting there. So, again, congratulations, Sherry. You have 14 days from today to contact me at epicyarngems@gmail.com with your mailing address. Once I receive that, I will get your package out to you. And for everybody who entered, thank you so much for supporting Epic Yarn Gems, and watch for another giveaway in May. And I will have some more videos going up here tomorrow. So happy spring to everyone. And as always, right, peace, love, and happiness to you all. Take care and stay safe out there.